In this video, I want to show you how to convert shapefile layer to a KML file in ArcGIS Pro. So here I have the shapefile of Nigerian states. If I want to convert it to KML file or KMZ file, so to do that is quite simple. Come to these options called analysis. Then come to these tools. Click on it. It will open this geoprocessing. Then come to toolbox. And here you can see a whole lot of tools. But come down here to conversion tools. Click to expand it. Then scroll down. Come to KML. Expand it. Then here you can see layer to KML. So click to select it. When it opens, you may want to read about it. Just place your cursor here and you can see the layer to KML conversion tools. It converts a feature or raster layer into a KML file containing a translation of X-ray geometries and symbology. This file is compressed using zip compression and it has a .kmz extension and can be read by any KML client including ArcGIS Earth, ArcGlobe, and Google Earth. So now to do the conversion, come here under layer, that is the input layer. Click here and select your shapefile layer, in this case Nigeria state. Then the output file, click here to navigate to where you want to save it. So in this case, let me locate my working folder. I want to save it in this folder called KMZ. Then I will name it, for instance, Nigeria State. Then I'll click on save. So it has been captured. Then leave other things at default and click on this option called run. If I click on it, it will convert the layer to KML. And you can see the progress here that it is running. So depending on how large your layer is, that is how big the area coverage is, that is what will determine how long it will take, and also depending on this specification of your system. However, this one is done. You can see layer to KML conversion completed. Now if I go to the folder, let me open the folder. Here is the folder. You can see Nigeria State k.kmz. Now I can choose to open this to visualize it in Google Earth. So to do that, but make sure you already install Google Earth Pro on your system. So what you need to do is just to double click it to launch or open it on Google Earth so that you can visualize it. Yes, you can see this is it. This is the boundary of Nigerian state converted from Shapefile to KMZ and visualizing it in Google Earth. So if you like this video, give us a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.